My favorite sport is basketball.
My favorite sport is soccer.
My favorite thing to do in football is score.
I'm not very good at sports, but I like to watch the game.
I like to play softball,
Volleyball,
Baseball, golf,
tennis and swimming,
soccer,
competitive cheerleading,
karate.
Gear up. Get ready. Game on. Grab your megaphones, lace up your cleats, and tune up your horn. It's time for the big game. Whether you're rooting from the stands, marching in the band, or hustling to the line, this summer, God is working in the lives of kids. The pep rally is our time to jump, sing, and worship together.
Game on!
God has given us a playbook for life. At the Bible Study Fieldhouse, kids discover that in His Word, God has given them everything they need for life's big game.
In Bible study, I learned that you need to follow Jesus because He'll guide you in the right direction and He won't leave you. And He's just faithful to you.
During Game On VBS, teams will encourage each other like never before as they rotate through crafts, missions, music, snack, and recreation. Our theme verse is 2 Peter chapter 1, verse 3, and the biblical content is woven throughout every activity. And remember, resources are available for all ages, preschool through adult, including special needs and Spanish. Or take VBS out of the stadium and to your community with the Backyard Kids Club Kit. This summer, give kids a week of play, fun, singing, and games. Teach them that God's Word is the ultimate playbook for life.
Gear up! Get ready! Game on!